friends, welcome to story time. Today we're going to read Wonderful Worms by Linda Glaser. Look at that boy holding a worm. Do you like to hold wiggly worms? I do. They're all slimy and wiggly and they live in the ground. Look, these worms are making tunnels. Let's see what else worms do. Earthworms are fat and wiggly like my fingers and toes. Do you have wiggly fingers and toes that are fat like a worm? They live where it is cool and dark and damp, where roots spread out like underground trees. Look at that. Look at those tunnels they're digging under the ground. Worms feel sounds with their whole bodies. They feel thunder when I walk. We are really big and worms are really small. So when you're stepping, boom, 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 it's shaking the ground. They are wonderful diggers. They dig passages and burrows, but they don't use shovels or fingers or toes. So how do they dig? How do they do it? They eat their way through and move along. Worms eat dirt. Ew. They stretch out long and thin and squeeze in short and fat. Stretch and squeeze, eat and dig, move and dig. I have one of my worms right here to show you what that looks like. So the worm goes stretch and squeeze, stretch and squeeze, stretch and squeeze, stretch and squeeze. And that's how they move. Earthworms mix and turn the dirt as they dig and tunnel in the earth. Do you think that would be useful for a garden? I think it would be because they're mixing the dirt and that's making it nice and loose for those roots to push through. They make the soil soft and airy so the roots of plants can breathe and grow. See, I was right. Worms don't have eyes or ears or nose. They do have a mouth. Do you have eyes? Where are your eyes? There they are. Do you have a nose? Where's your nose? There's my nose. Do you have ears? Oh, I have ears. Do we have a mouth? Yes, we have a mouth, just like a worm has a mouth. It's all they have is a mouth. I wonder how they know where they're going. But they need food just like I do. But they eat dirt and rotting leaves. Do you eat dirt and rotting leaves? I don't, but a worm does. They swallow tiny pieces, and inside the worms, the food changes. I wonder what that food changes into. Look at the bunnies eating strawberries. I hope bunnies don't come in my garden and eat my strawberries. When it comes out of their tail ends, it makes the earth rich so plants can grow. So, when worms poop, they're making new, very vitamin-rich soil for our gardens. Earthworms are my helpers, the underground gardeners. We work hard in the dirt in my garden, their homes. So if you have worms in your garden, they are working hard to help you. Thanks for listening to my story. I hope you like learning some more about worms. See you later.